For millennia, human beings have watched the birds and envied their freedom. If only we could fly like the birds. The first person to make a serious study of flight was Leonardo da Vinci, around 1480. The National Science and Technology Museum in Milan, dedicated to Leonardo, contains models of two flying machines. An ornithopter, based on his observations of how birds fly, and a machine with a helical rotor, a prototype for a helicopter. The first practical flying machine is attributed to the Wright Brothers. They didn't fly far, but in 1903 they did get off the ground. This model is in the National Air and Space Museum in Washington, USA. Just 24 years after that first flight in 1927, Charles Lindbergh successfully crossed the Atlantic in the Spirit of St. Louis. And by 1947, human beings were flying faster than any bird, breaking the sound barrier. Indeed, it was just 66 years after leaving the ground for the first time that human beings flew right out of the Earth's atmosphere and onto the moon. The plane flying behind the Washington Monument reminds us how flight has become a part of everyday human life, at least prior to COVID. But human flight is still not as versatile as the birds who can fly anywhere, anytime. For humans, that versatility is only available through the drone.